para sa ating third example, let's prove that 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta minus 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta is equal to 4 sine theta times secant square theta. Now again, in proving trigonometric identities, ang first nating gagawin is to pick one side of the equation that is more complicated to simplify. Now in this case, obvious naman that the left side equation is more complicated than the right side equation. So that means mag-start tayo with 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta minus 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. So that means we are going to simplify this one and see to it na ma-prove natin that this side of the equation is equal to the right side equation. Now, to do this, ang first natin gagawin dito is we go directly and combine the two fractions because the given expression is already expressed in terms of sine. And combining the two fractions, all you need to do is find the LCD. So what's the LCD or the least common denominator? So of course, that is 1 minus sine theta, okay, times 1 plus sine theta. So that is the least common denominator. And doing the process na on how to subtract fractions, ang gagawin natin sa LCD is i-divide natin to each denominators and then i-multiply natin yung quotient sa numerator. So doing the process, of course, the LCD divided by the first term, no, the denominator of the first term, that is 1 minus sine theta. So that will give us, of course, that will give us 1 plus sine theta. Then 1 plus sine theta, i-multiply natin or i-multiply natin sa ating numerator 1 plus sine theta, and that will give us quantity 1 plus sine theta squared. Then doing the same process no sa second term, so i-divide natin yung LCD natin sa denominator, 1 plus sine theta, that will give us 1 minus sine theta, then si 1 minus sine theta, i-multiply natin sa numerator, and that will give us minus quantity 1 minus sine theta squared. Okay. Now, dito, ang next natin gagawin is we're going to expand no, the numerator. So, expanding the numerator, we get, of course, let's expand this one. This will give us 1, okay, 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta. And of course, expanding this one also, that will give us minus 1, okay, 1 and then plus 2 sine theta and then minus sine square theta. Then over, okay, over, of course, if you're going to multiply the denominators, that will give us 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so let's simplify this one further, no? So as you can see, dito sa numerator natin, no, merong ma-cancelled out. Kasi, ma-cancelled out si, of course, ma-cancelled out si 1 dito, and also si sine square is also cancelled out. So that will leave us with 2 sine theta and plus 2 sine theta, which gives us 4 sine theta. Okay, then over, of course, itong si 1 minus sine square theta, this is, okay, this is a Pythagorean identity, which is equivalent to, of course, that is equivalent to cosine square theta. Okay, now at this point, we can rewrite this expression into 4, okay, into 4 sine theta, okay, sine theta times 1 over cosine square theta, which gives us to 4 sine theta times the equivalent identity of 1 over cosine squared theta, which is a reciprocal identity, and that is equal to secant square theta. And that's the end of our proof that the left side equation is equal to the right side equation.